A very good morning, Montfortians. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. That is chapter 13, describing words. Okay? So everyone, take out your book. Take out your grammar book. Open page number 43. Write today's date, day and grade task on the top. Here. Fast. Now let's start. Student, what are describing words? Listen carefully. The word that tell us more about a naming word. Again, the word that tell us more about a naming word. The words that tell us that how the thing is, how the person is. Okay, let's see. See how the marker is. The marker is white. The marker is white. The word white is describing this marker. The word white is telling that this marker is white. Okay. The word white is describing this marker. Now see how the mug is. How the mug is? Mug is small. The word small is describing this mug. Okay. The word small is telling us how the mug is. Mug is small. See here. Now, how's the book is? Book is thin. Book is thin. The word thin is a describing word. It is describing, the word thin is describing this book. This book is thin. Okay. I have written some examples here also. Tall girl. Tall girl. The word tall is describing that girl is tall. The word tall is describing the height of the girl. Okay, the word tall is describing the height of the girl. The girl is tall. Big tree. Big. Big is a describing word. The word big is telling that the tree is big, the size of the tree. The word big is telling the size of the tree. The tree is big. Okay. Naughty dog. Naughty dog. This word, naughty word, is telling us about the dog. How's the dog is? The dog is naughty. The dog is naughty. Beautiful city. How the city is? City is beautiful. The word tall, big, naughty, beautiful. These are describing words. These are describing these words. Tall girl. The girl is tall. Tall is describing the height of the girl. Big is describing the size of the tree. Naughty is describing the behavior of the dog. It means dog is naughty. And the word beautiful is describing the city. City is beautiful. Okay. Now let's see in book. See here. Some examples are here also. I drew a silver spaceship. Student, this silver word is describing that spaceship is silver. The silver word is describing the color of the spaceship. Yes? Now, Ravi caught a big fish. The word big is describing the size of the fish. The big word is describing the size of the fish. It means the big is fish. Sorry, it means the fish is big. Sorry. Now, 4 boys were playing on the swings. 4 boys were playing on the swings. Students, here number 4 is describing that how many boys were playing. Okay, the number 4 is describing that how many boys were playing on the swings. It means numbers are also describing words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The numbers are also describing words. Okay. Now we will do exercise. Now it will be more clear for you. Okay. So come here. Student, color the describing words that best suit the dragon pink. Color those that best suit the clown orange. We have to color the word pink. Those are describing this dragon. Okay, and orange color, those are describing the clown. See here, big dragon, big dragon. Okay, green, what is the color of dragon? Green, green dragon. Now angry dragon. The word angry is describing the dragon. Angry dragon, winged dragon. Okay, now orange color, those are describing the clown. Happy clown, funny clown, playful clown, cheerful clown, like this. Okay, do like this. Now come on the next exercise. Here, look at the pictures, match the describing words with the naming words correctly. Students, see, some pictures are there. We have to match these pictures with their describing words. Okay, let's see. Which picture is this? Soup. Hot soup. Hot soup. Next, see, orange. Orange. Juicy orange. Juicy orange. Hot soup, juicy orange. What is this? Medal. Shiny medal. How's the medal is? Shiny. Shiny medal. What is this? Bag. Heavy bag. Heavy bag. Heavy bag. How's the bag is? Heavy. The bag is heavy. Heavy bag. See? Pretty flowers. Pretty flower. These are flowers and describing word is pretty. Pretty flowers. Round ball. Round ball. Tall, sorry. Tall giraffe. Tall giraffe. See which picture is this? Giraffe. And how's the giraffe is? Tall. Rainy day. How's the day is? Rainy day. Okay? How's the day is? Rainy day. Now exercise C. Circle the describing words. Here we have to circle the describing words and underline the naming words. In this exercise we have to circle the describing word and underline the naming words. Now look at the board, everyone. The tailor stitched a nice dress. How's the dress is? Nice. It means nice is a describing word. Nice is a describing word. And dress. How the dress is? Dress is nice. It means here we will underline the word dress because in this sentence the word nice is describing the dress. Okay. So the tailor stitched a nice dress. Nice is a describing word and dress is a naming word. Okay. Now Betty is a naughty girl. How the girl is? Naughty. How the girl is? Naughty. So circle the word naughty and we are talking about girl. So underline the word girl. The girl is naughty. And what is the name of the girl? Betty. Betty is a naughty girl. The word naughty is describing the girl. The girl is naughty. Okay. 4 children waved at us happily. 4 children. How many children? 4. So circle this word 4 and underline this. This is naming word. 4 is a describing word and children is a naming word. Okay. The plump cat. The plump cat purred softly. Here we are talking about cat. So cat is a naming word and the word plump is describing the cat. Okay, like this we will do. Students, rest exercise you will do yourself. Okay? This is for today, students. Now do rest exercise yourself. Bye bye. Have a nice day.